Just asserted himself. What a dominant game at both ends of the floor here by Brook Lopez.
Wow, Mr. Dan, what's going on, man? Come on, brother. Come on, come on. Wow. Hell yeah. Let's go. That's funny, brother.
Yeah, man. So what's been going down, my brother?
Oh, we just chilling. Come on, have a seat. Have a seat.
Oh, the game is on. Who's winning?
Oh, you just Milwaukee's winning right now. This is the fourth quarter.
My God, I thought Atlanta would have been kicking ass.
Yes, brother. How can I offer you to drink?
Man, my brother, things have changed. I don't consume alcohol anymore, man.
Oh, that's good. Want some ice?
Please and thanks, brother.
That's good. Yes, brother. There you go.
All right. Thanks, my brother, man.
Yes, brother. What's up with this mystic stuff?
Well, Ike, the mystic told me that I need to look for an evil man to embark in this journey with us. And you're the only evil man that I know that I'm close to. I know it's been a while since I saw you last, but you're an old business associate of mine, and I need this big favor from you. Yeah, I really need your help, my brother. You're the only evil person that I know. And you know, this mask, it's our answer. It's our people's answer. For so long ago, look how much what we've been going through. This mask is our answer. You need to come with me, my brother. The mystic also promised good fortune and a change of our lives. A change of our lives.
Are we getting some gold, brother?
Get him some gold? My brother, this is our freedom. This is our way out. Not only for you and for me, it's for all of us, all our people. Nothing compared to gold. This is more than gold, my friend. And I need your help.
You're serious about this, eh?
It will be freedom for our people.
Interesting. So, brother Dan, where are we going to get this match from?
Well, it's a mystical island. I am not quite sure. I would have to get all the coordinates from the mystic. I mean, all he told me, I need definitely to find an evil man that will be able to embark in this journey with us. The mystic told me that the evil man should bring 4 coconut that represent 4 market days on the Igbo calendar. And I'm not sure what that means.
4 colonnades presenting 4 market days. Yeah, I understand.
Well, that's why I need you.
Okay, I know where to get colonnades. You said 4 colonnades, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know where we can get it. So, brother, when would you like to see this mystic man?
As soon as you confirm that you will come with us. It'll be worth your while. I mean, they promise good fortune and a change of our lives. Look at our life. We need a change.
Oh, yeah. So, the thing you talked about freedom, man, I think it's about time. We're all free, man. I think it's about time. You know what? How does this weekend sound for you?
It'll be perfect for me, man.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Thanks, brother.
Let's do it, man.
Thanks, man. nice to see you,
Very nice
Sarah.
to see you. Welcome to my little place.
The little place is beautiful.
Yeah.
Very cozy and comfortable.
We can have a seat, you know?
Yeah, let me take my shoe off.
Okay.
My sandals. Very nice place you have here.
Yeah.
Very cozy and comfortable looking.
Well, you know, I learned from the best, you know?
Okay.
Learned from the best.
Wow. Amazingly beautiful though.
Yeah. Have a seat, man.
Wow.
So how is life?
Life is
What's going on?
Life is good.
What can I offer you to drink?
Oh, Sarah, ever since I came out, I actually don't consume alcohol anymore. I figured let me put that part of my lifestyle behind me. But because of you, I'm gonna be very exceptional today. I'll have a drink.
What do you want?
Well, we usually love to drink red wine when we're celebrating, so let's do that. Red wine I'll have.
Okay, let me get you some red wine then. You'll have a drink. Oh, let me get some wine. Let me see what we have. Some Remy, Liz. Red wine. Okay, I have one here. Boss, how is this one?
Oh,
Good, huh?
that's great. Yeah.
Okay. Boss, you might have to come help me open this.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
As long as it has not changed since the 7 years I've been in jail, everything has changed.
I don't know. Let's see.
Okay, here we go. No, it's not, hasn't changed. It's the same thing, same way.
Yeah?
Yeah. Unless they have the electric one nowadays.
Well, I guess anything is possible now.
A new device for everything.
Modern technology.
Yeah. Tell you, I missed out a lot while I was there for 7 years.
I know.
All right.
Boss, you broke it.
Oh my God.
You're not used to opening these things anymore, man.
I told you things have really changed because I used to be able to open a bottle without breaking it.
Look at this, boss.
Oh no. Hope it's a blessing for us.
I hope. You know what, boss?
Gosh, eh?
Seeing that you broke this one,
Yeah.
I'll get one that you don't have to pull out like this. Let me get a different one.
Things did change.
Yes.
For the
but
7 years.
let's try this one, boss.
Okay.
Try that one. You don't have to use the opener to open this one. You could open it with your hands. Okay, let me get the glass.
That's it.
Yeah.
Well, this one hasn't changed.
No, this one is basic.
Did you want to do the honors, Sarah?
No, it's okay, boss. You do it. Long time I haven't seen you. Just serve me for once.
I guess the amount hasn't changed since I've been in jail.
No, not at all. The only thing that's changed is the wine brim broken.
Oh no. You know what? Here's to whatever comes out of this new endeavor.
Yeah, for sure. Let's drink to this. Nice. Let's go back and sit, boss. Have a drink. Boss, boss. I have this drink on me, man.
Well, Sarah the cat, here's to something new.
Yes, for sure. That's it. But, boss, if I didn't know you well, I would say that you were hallucinating, having a nightmare. But I know you very well. You're not crazy. A matter of fact, I am who I am today because of you. And if we are in this adventure, let's do it, man. Let's bring that mask home back.
Sarah the cat, thank you so very much. I can't thank you enough, Sarah. Can't thank you enough.
Thank you, boss. Thank you so much. You see, you know the little money that I had to buy till the dust settled with everything that was going on. I had to buy something in Jamaica, the seafront. So this is what I'm left with.
Sarah, don't worry. We're promised good fortune when we return.
Yeah, so, boss, we're cooking something in the kitchen. Do you want something to eat?
Sure, why not?
Carol, my friend.
Hey Sarah, what's up?
Bring us the stuff to eat.
Okay, in a minute.
Okay. Boss, she's gonna bring something for us to eat.
Okay. There you go.
Wow.
I have some sausages, some eggs, and some. I'll grab the bread.
Come on, boss. Let's have a feast.
Sarah,
Yeah.
the hospitality is great.
Yeah, well,
My gosh.
nothing, everything for my boss. Nothing is too good for my boss.
Wow.
There you go.
You
Okay?
made me feel I was still in the game.
Boss, you have been there so much time for me. Everything, so is the least I can do.
Wow.
The least I can do.
Beautiful.
Let's just eat.
Love your hospitality.
Yeah, let's just eat, man. Have fun.
Cheers, Sarah.
Cheers.
Wow.
Okay.
Thank you, Carol. Thank you very much, Carol.
You're welcome. There you go.
Wow, this makes me feel 5-starish.
Some, boss.
Thank you.
Take some. You see, we got some plantain, boss.
Wow, nice.
You know,
eh?
we love the plantain.
It makes me feel like I was still in the Caribbean in a 5-star hotel.
Yeah, I know,
When they
boss.
bring you everything your heart desires.
Boss, nothing is too good for you.
Including
You have been too good to me, boss. Too good, too good. Too good for me. You have been too good.
Sarah, the best of it is yet to come. Like I said, we are promised good fortune and a better circumstances in our life.
Yeah.
From a masculine hood. Nkenglck. Someone has come. Wake him up from the masculine hood. Nkenglck. Your husband has come. Wake him up from the masculine hood. Do not tell anybody what it happened today here.
Yes.
Not even your mom, not even your friends, no family member. Keep it confidential.
Yes, wise one. I won't even tell my mother that birthed me, wise one.
This is your handshake, my handshake to keep join as a member.
Thank you, wise one. Thank you, wise man.
Thank you. Oh, hi Dan. Yeah, this is Mistake. Yeah, man. I'm on the subway. Yeah, the Igbo man didn't show up, so I'm on my way to the hotel. So just wait for me there. I'll catch you in a bit, okay? Alright. Alright then.